Iris. I've jumped. Can I have a suggestion of a well-known character from fiction or a person from history for Nora to play?
Henry VIII.
Henry VIII. Something unusual for Henry VIII to do.
Use a computer.
Use a computer. So the stage is yours. You are Henry VIII using a computer. Take it away.
Catherine, could you some wine? Catherine, delete. Annie, beautiful Annie, please come and bring me some pretzels, because back then there were pretzels. And thank you very much. Jane! Why is your name the same name as that actress? I will never understand. Jane Seymour. Delete. And then I don't have that much time.
And that is time! That is time! So, Iris. Can I have a suggestion of a character for Iris?
Florence Nightingale.
Florence Nightingale. Okay, that's something unusual for Florence Nightingale to be doing.
Kill people.
Oh, killing people. You're Florence Nightingale, killing people, and here you go.
But you have no proof. I don't kill people. I help people. I'm a nurse. I work in the hospital. My only mission in life is to help people recover, get cured, and live a healthy life. I don't kill people. How ridiculous. I didn't apply to work at a hospital to take life away. That'd be pretty fun. I mean, I did it so that I could help. I really genuinely believe that fallen soldiers should get the best care possible, yada yada yada. You get it.
Okay, let's see. So the question is, who do you think did the better impression? Make some noise for Henry VIII, I am. Make some noise for Florence Nightingale, she is. Henry?